How to turn on or turn off enable debug logging for ads on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on more privacy settings. Now scroll down again and then tap on ads. Then scroll down and tap on enable debug logging for ads. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. From the pop-up, tap on confirm. If you want to switch it off, just tap on the toggle button to turn it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.